Sawadee krab. Now let's talk about the Thai consonants. All right. So remember, in Sanskrit, the consonants are divided into two groups, right? The main consonants and the remnant consonants. In Thai, the 44 consonants are also divided into two groups: the main consonants and the remnant consonants. Okay. So remember, in Sanskrit, the main consonants are divided into 5 rows. I mean, based on their place of articulation. We have the gutturals, guttural consonants. We have the ka, ga, and nga. And we have the palatals, the retroflex, the dentals, and the labials. Correct? 5 rows containing 5 consonants. Thai also has 5 rows. All right. These rows are called varga. Right? In Sanskrit, the rows are called varga, and varga means set. So the set of guttural stops and nasals, the set of palatal stops and nasals. Okay. In Thai, they also borrow this word, but in Thai we don't call it varga. We call it wak instead. Okay. So remember the consonants in Sanskrit is ka blah blah blah, cha blah blah blah, ta blah blah blah, ta blah blah blah, and pa blah blah blah, right? This varga is called the ka-varga. Okay, we take the first consonant of each row and then we add varga to refer to the whole varga, the whole row or the whole set. Okay, so this row is called ka-varga. This varga is called ca-varga. This varga is called ta-varga. This varga is called ta-varga. This varga is called pa-varga. Okay. Thai also has the same thing, the same kind of naming. All right. But there are some differences. All right. In Sanskrit, you have 4 stops in the nasal, 4 stops in the nasal, right? What about in Thai? Let's see. The first difference is the place of articulation. In Sanskrit, you have the gutturals, the palatals, the retroflexes, the dentals, and the labials, right? This is the retroflex varga, ta-varga. If there's a dot below, it means retroflex. And you have the dental varga, no dot. Okay. In Sanskrit, these two are different sounds. Pronouncing a word with different sounds can give you different meanings, right? But in Thai, right, these two vargas, they are pronounced the same. Okay. Instead of retroflex and dental, we have just alveolar. Okay, which means that the tip of the tongue, right, is touching the alveolar ridge. Remember, for retroflex consonants, the body of the tongue is touching the hard palate. So this is the hard palate, correct? This is your teeth, for example, and behind your teeth is your alveolar ridge over here. This is your hard palate, right? When we pronounce the retroflex consonants, the body of our tongue, which is like the middle of our tongue, is raised towards this area. When we pronounce the dental consonants, the tip of our tongue is touching the back of our upper teeth, right? But alveolar consonants are consonants produced when the tip of the tongue or the blade of the tongue, which is beyond the tip a little, before the body, basically this area of the tongue, touches the alveolar ridge over here. All right. So this is a summary. In Sanskrit, the ka-varga are the guttural consonants, ca-varga are the palatal consonants, and so on, right? But in Thai, the ka-varga consonants are velar consonants. And then we have the palatal consonants for the ca-varga in Thai, the alveolar consonants, another set of alveolar consonants, and the labial consonants. Okay. The second difference between the Sanskrit main group consonants and the Thai main group consonants is that in Sanskrit, we have a palatal nasal consonant, nya. But in Thai, we don't have this thing. We don't have this sound at all, correct? But we do have the other nasals for the other varga. So this is the nasal for the ka-varga. This is the velar nasal. We have the N sound, the no for the alveolar vargas, and the more for the labial varga or the labial row. Okay. Thirdly, Sanskrit has only 5 consonants per varga, correct? 4 stops followed by a nasal per varga. But Thai has more than 5 consonants per varga. Okay. So, for example, in Thai, for the ka-varga in Thai, we have 5 or 7. Okay, 7 if you count the 2 obsolete consonants. Right? Obsolete means we don't use them anymore. Okay, for the ca-varga in Thai, we have 6 main consonants instead of 5. For the ta-varga, right, or the retroflex varga, but we don't pronounce it as a retroflex in Thai. We have 6 of them. Okay, similarly for the dental ones, right? And then for the pa-varga, we have 8 consonants in that row. Okay, so we add them all up, right? We have 31 consonants or 33 consonants in the main group consonants in Thai. Okay. Lastly, the ca-varga and the pa-varga contain fricatives. So the ca-varga contain an S sound, saw, right? A pa-varga contains the for sound. All right.